Hi guys, so here's how this assignment is going to go. So you're going to go to joinpd.com and just put in the code that I tell you. From here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be both drawing and writing a definition. So I have kind of done the first step for you. See here, it says draw an example of finding zeros, and then I give you the definition and some hints here. So zeros are also known as the roots. How do you do this? You would set the function equal to 0. You might factor or use a quadratic equation if you need to. And if you're graphing, you would find the zeros in your calculator. So I'm telling you what to do, and now I want you to draw an example of it. So for this one, maybe I'll just illustrate graphically. These would be my zeros, right? If I'm doing it on my calculator, maybe I would write a hint, use the second calc function in order to do that. Maybe I also want to give myself a little reminder of the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So that one's really general. For most of these problems, I want a more specific example, but this one's just really general. So that's good. I'm going to be done drawing. And now you have to type a definition. Now I'm fine with you pretty much copying and pasting what I've said, but then kind of edit it to look a bit nicer formatting wise, and to also add in any mental notes that you want for yourself. There we go. I added a little note and I cleaned it up a bit. Let me take you through one more. So you're done with that one, ship it. Draw an example. F of x is even. So this would be a good one to do a specific example for. So remember, an even function, as I said here, is one where f of negative x equals f of x graphically if it's symmetric about the y-axis. Pretend that's perfectly symmetric. And then let me give another example. So maybe f of x equals x to the fourth plus 8x squared. In order to show it algebraically, let's find f of negative x. F of negative x is negative x to the fourth power plus 8 negative x squared. So that would be x to the fourth power plus 8x squared. So yes, indeed, that does equal just my f of x function. Therefore, my function is even. Remember, not all functions are even or odd. They can be neither. I just wanted to give an example of an even function because this problem asked me for that. And then the definition, I already gave a great example, so I'm just going to copy and paste exactly what I had written. Again, I'm fine with you copying and pasting what I had written, just neaten it up a little bit. And then if you want to put any mental notes in there, that's bonus and that's great. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be studying from these sets that you create. So the better the definitions that you put here, the better the class is going to be able to study from this later on. So that's going to be your assignment. It's very important that you do your assigned work on your assigned day, because otherwise things won't be spaced out evenly. Basically, everybody who does one gets to the next term, and I've kind of put them in order of beginning of the year till the end of the year. So I want everybody to do a mix of things. So that's why I've spaced out this assignment over 3 different days instead of asking you to just do 10 terms in one day. All right, I hope this works. I hope this is fun. We'll see. Bye.